Halmstad Plus is your one-stop shop for entry portable food business. It's sizable, impressive, and kitted out with everything you'll need to get started. Let's go check out some of its key features.
Idiya, oh, Idiya,
The benches are made from a food grade 304 steel, and it's really spacious in here, so great for your whole crew. On this side, you'll find an extra window for light and ventilation. There's also a tray for extra overhead storage. The Halmstad Plus has been built for you and the team in mind. The service window is large in size, which allows you to serve multiple people at once. It's also lit by LED stud lighting and a strip light here. The outside also has a collapsible stainless steel bench. There is also an attachable clear food guard. It comes with a built-in double door fridge with an adjustable shelf. For your security, there's a large lockable cash drawer. Under the bench, there's a pull-out trash bin. There are plenty of full-size cupboards under the benches, so you can keep your inventory well stocked. And has non-slip aluminium flooring with a drain. There are 2 sinks as well as a hot water heater. Under the sinks is the drainage for the fresh and wastewater, as well as an oil and water separator.